Hello everyone. Let's dive into the GiantMatrix Displayport KVM switch designed for users with dual computers and a single monitor setup. This particular model is geared towards high refresh rates and resolutions, specifically targeting 1440p at 165Hz, which is great for gamers and content creators who demand smooth visuals. The GiantMatrix KVM switch supports a wide range of resolutions, including ultra-wide options like 5120 by 1440 and 3440 by 1440 at various refresh rates, all the way up to 165Hz. It even handles 4K resolutions at up to 240Hz and 8K at 60Hz, offering future-proofing for display upgrades. However, it's worth noting that lower resolutions aren't officially recommended, so this switch is really designed for high-end displays. This is a two-port KVM switch, meaning you can connect two computers and share a single DisplayPort monitor, keyboard, and mouse. It also features two USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to share peripherals like printers, webcams, or external storage devices between your computers. The USB 3.0 ports offer data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, which is significantly faster than USB 2.0. The package includes the necessary cables and a wired remote push button for easy switching between computers. The switch itself is made of aluminum, giving it a premium feel. It's compact, measuring approximately 5.12 by 2.45 by 0.91 inches, so it won't take up too much desk space. The GiantMatrix KVM switch is driver-free, supporting Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. This makes setup straightforward. The switch operates on 5 volts and has a current rating of 600 milliamps. Overall, the GiantMatrix Displayport KVM switch is a solid option for users who need to share a high-resolution, high-refresh rate monitor and peripherals between two computers. The support for a wide range of resolutions and refresh rates, along with the fast USB 3.0 ports, makes it a versatile choice for both gaming and professional use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.